Sasquatch encounter uncovered. California campers are once again at the center of a bizarre mystery after reporting a possible Sasquatch encounter near the base of Mount Baldy in San Bernardino County. The incident happened in November 2025 at the Manker Flat campground, where a group of campers experienced a series of unexplained events in the early morning hours. Around 3:30 a.m., the nearly empty campground was disrupted by the sudden sound of rocks being thrown, along with strange noises echoing through the area. The campers, startled and unable to find a source for the commotion, quickly connected the incident to long-standing local legends of mysterious creatures in the region. The Bigfoot Field Researchers Organization, or BFRO, took the report seriously, classifying the event as a Class B encounter. This means there was no direct visual sighting, but credible circumstantial evidence was collected, including the campers' audio recordings and detailed descriptions of the event. Investigators from the BFRO highlighted their deep familiarity with Mount Baldy and emphasized that the group's extensive camping experience lent credibility to the claims. Their on-site examination found no easy explanation for the rock throwing or the eerie noises, leaving the Mount Baldy mystery wide open.